So next bit, put the bearing on here. So that should actually come right through eventually. Sit on top. A bit more space here. See, the shock absorber comes through, so just need a wee bit, tiny bit more. So that you can get the bearing on there, like so. Through there, so it's sitting on the shocker. That's how it turns. And then you put this on. The shock absorber keeps coming down again. The spring's moving about, and it's there. That's that on there. Need a little bit more spring, keeps. Right. Then put the nut on. Hand tight at first, just to keep it all together. Make sure that's tight and it's. What I want to do is this on here to hold it. Tighten the spring nut up, top nut, not right up, just comfortable. Right. So now you can take tension off the spring, so it's sitting there on its wee cup there. Take the spring tensioners off. Slowly but surely. Just make sure the spring's still sitting in its there. It's sitting in its thing there. Its little ledge. You take a deep breath. I always kind of put my hand on it like this. I know it's just one of them things, if it truly did pop open, it would take your hand off, but it's going to jam in here, see that? This is the thing I need to watch. Silly. If I can move that. Just might be able to move it round, oops. Get it out. Tension's getting tighter. We can move that a wee bit. It's getting looser now. See, that's it. Just one off. I should be able to get that off of there, but just. Oh dear. That's not good. That's what that happens. You've got to work out where you're putting things and you don't know if it's going to catch in something or. There you go. Right, that's that in. And this one off, that's the new spring on. And then top bit, just make sure it's nipped up. That's fine, so that's on, everything's on. So the next step, I'll be putting it on the car. There's one spring changed. Stuck nut ratchet. Amazing how that happens, isn't it? It's going to come off, isn't it? You wonder how these things do this, don't you? You're tightening it up and there you go. Just that. So next job, I'll be putting this on the car. Okay, that's on there okay. Everything looks good at the top. That's fine. Thanks.